Welcome to our story on the Golden Bird, a story as radiant and captivating as the wings of India's cherished heritage itself. Today, we delve into the world of Miss Universe India 2024, where the national costume, aptly named the Golden Bird, takes center stage. This costume isn't just an outfit, it's a living tribute to India's legacy of affluence, wisdom, and resilience. Designed by the visionary Abhishek Sharma, this costume combines the shimmer of ancient India with a message of prosperity and hope for the future. India, once hailed as Sone ki Chidiya or the Golden Bird, captivated the world with its boundless riches, profound knowledge, and vibrant culture. In this segment, we'll take a breathtaking journey through time, unraveling the story behind the Golden Bird and the symbolism embedded in this awe-inspiring costume. But before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Tap that bell icon to stay updated on incredible stories from the world of Miss Universe and beyond. Miss Universe India 2024's national costume represents a proud nod to an era that defined India's global prominence. The Golden Bird costume showcases intricate golden wings and a regal gown, embodying the wealth and knowledge India was famed for during its golden age, especially during the Gupta period, circa 320 to 550 CE. This era saw remarkable achievements in various fields: mathematics, medicine, architecture, and philosophy, pioneered by scholars who gathered in legendary centers like Nalanda and Takshashila. Devita Rai, this year's representative, has taken on the persona of the Golden Bird, a metaphor for India's prosperity and cultural impact on the world. Designer Abhishek Sharma crafted this costume with details that reflect India's heritage and enduring spirit. Made from hand-woven tissue fabric sourced from Chanderi, Madhya Pradesh, the golden ensemble glows with metallic embellishments that symbolize the brilliance of India's artisans. The dress includes gold-embellished wings that represent the nourishing and protective essence India has offered the world, especially during times of global adversity. The drape flows like the Saraswati River, symbolizing wisdom, strength, and the journey of growth that India has undertaken over centuries. The term Sone ki Chidiya, Golden Bird, was no exaggeration. Ancient India was genuinely a hub of wealth and influence, attracting traders from as far as the Roman Empire, the Mediterranean, and East Asia. Precious stones, metals, spices, and textiles were in high demand, and India's prominence along trade routes like the Silk Road made it an undeniable force in the global economy. Historical accounts reveal that in the 1st century AD, India's GDP contributed nearly 30% to the global economy, a staggering figure that showcases its powerful standing at the time. India's wealth wasn't solely in material resources. It was a bastion of intellectual brilliance, with mathematicians like Aryabhatta introducing the concept of zero, while astronomers explored the vastness of space. This intellectual wealth, represented in the Golden Bird costume, continues to inspire India's presence on the world stage, showcasing not just material opulence but the rich tapestry of Indian thought, art, and science. Resilience and renewal, India's journey through time. Yet, the spirit of Sone ki Chidiya remains unbroken, symbolizing resilience and renewal. Since independence, India has risen from the depths of colonial drain to become a global economic power once again. Today, India stands as one of the fastest-growing economies, echoing the resilience of the Golden Bird, reborn, thriving, and soaring once more. Miss Universe India 2024's costume doesn't just celebrate India's history, it embodies the journey from colonial exploitation to a modern powerhouse, representing the timeless spirit that has kept India soaring through millennia. As Devita Rai steps onto the stage in this radiant costume, she's not just wearing a gown, she's carrying the weight of India's glorious past, its intellectual triumphs, its resilience, and its future aspirations. Her golden wings are a reminder of the enduring beauty and power of Sone ki Chidiya, India's golden bird. This costume is a celebration of everything India has been and everything it continues to strive towards. Thank you for joining us on this magical journey into India's past and its present. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and tap that notification bell for more enchanting tales from the world of beauty, culture, and heritage.